Hello students. In this chapter we are going to learn about addition and subtraction. This is your second lesson. Lesson 2, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. You know how to add. If it is a single digit number or two digit number or three digit number, okay, with three digit answer or two digit answer and a single digit answer, it is very easy to add. But in this lesson we are going to learn about addition with large numbers. So before going your lesson, some recall exercises I want to give. From your book I will give recall exercises. 389 plus 496. 389, 496. This is the number we are going to add first. See, this is three digit number. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So when you are adding, all ones place should come in a straight line. I mean, below that you have to write. This is ones place. So this ones place, below that you have to write. Tens place. Okay, this is also tens place. Below this number you have to write. This is hundredth place. This is also hundredth place. Below that you have to write. See, 389, 496. This addition symbol. Whatever it is, this is addition or subtraction or multiplication. Always leave some space, then write. You will not make any mistake. Okay, for avoiding mistake, just leave some space, then write. See, if you are writing simply like this, 389, 496. Okay, when you are adding, it may there is a chance for making mistakes. So that's why leave some space, then write. Then we can add 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Write 15 here. Okay, if you know or don't know, first for avoiding mistake, write 15 in the right side. Cut 5. Balance 1. This one you have to write here and circle it. You should circle it. Otherwise, if you are not circling, when you are checking the answer, okay, you will get confused. That's why when whatever you are carrying, that one you have to circle. Okay, 5, then 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Cut 8. This one you have to carry here. Write 1, then circle it. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So 885. So answer is equal to 885. This is the way you have to add. So first the concept is ones place, all ones place, below that you have to write. If it is three digit, one more number or two more number, all ones place should come in a straight line. Below that you have to write tens place, okay, hundreds place. Like that you have to write. So one more example. 5,000. This is example number 1. Second question. 5,107 plus 2,938 plus 642. Okay, so this is 4 digit number, this is 3 digit number, so you have to be very careful. 5,107. See how I am writing? Leave some space, then write. Okay, then 2,938. Understood? Then 642. 642. Ones place. All ones place, below that you have to write. All tens place, below that you have to write. All hundreds place, below that you have to write. Don't start from here. 642. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Why? 6 is hundreds place, this is thousands place. If you are writing 6 here, this is wrong method. So you have to start from hundreds place here. 642. Then add. Okay. Now see, they all ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, here is no place. If you want, you can add 1 0, otherwise leave it, no problem. Okay, now you can add 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, cut 7. Balance 1 right here, circle it. You should circle. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, cut 6. Balance 1 right here, circle it. Understood? Then 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 8687. So answer is equal to 8687. Put it in the box. If you are putting the answer in the box, it will be neat. Okay, now understood? For adding or subtracting, okay, you have to leave some space, then write. It is very easy to write. Understood? When you are checking your answer, you will not make any mistake. Okay, understood? This is your recall exercises. Then from your book, exercise 2.1, 2 questions I will give. First exercise. First question. 5395. 5395 plus 6347. 6347. Here you can see this is 4-digit number. See, 1 2 3 4, 4-digit number. 1 2 3 4, 4-digit number. But when you are adding, you will get the answer 5-digit number. How to add? See, as usual, 5395. Leave some space there, not more. Okay, not more, little bit space. 6347. And this symbol also compulsory. You should put this symbol. Okay, 5 plus 7, 12. Cut 2. Balance 1. Carry here. Circle it. You should circle. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Balance 1. Carry here. 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 5, 5 plus 6, 11. See, this is 4-digit number. You are getting 5-digit answer. So answer is equal to 11,742. Put it in the box. Understood? So this is the way you have to add everything. Okay? And some more addition. I will give my own example. 9416 plus 1032 plus 412. Okay, this is the number we are going to add. This is also, see, 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 3-digit number. So when you are adding this type of number, you have to be very careful. Understood? All ones place, below that you have to write tens place, like that. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousandth place. Now write 9416, 1032, 412. After writing everything, make sure it is how to write. Okay, you wrote the whatever it is you have written in your book, in your note, it is correct or not, check. All ones place, okay, correct. All tens place, below that you wrote correct. All hundreds place, okay, correct. All thousands place, correct. After that you can start write or start adding. Addition symbol. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, 0. Balance 1. Circle it. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Plus 1, 6. 4 plus 4, 8. 9 plus 1, 10. See, this is 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 3-digit number, but the answer is 5-digit number. So answer is equal to 10,860. Understood? So this is the way you have to add. Always leave some space then, right? Okay, if you are not leaving space, any other digit number, this is 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 3-digit number, any other digit numbers are coming, you will get confused when you are adding. That's why I told leave some space then write. Okay, this is addition. and some more addition also, 5 digit number, addition of 5 and 6 digit number, addition of 5 and 6 digit number. All additions are same, but answers will be big. Okay, if you are adding 5 digit number and 6 digit number, sometimes you will get 6 digit number, sometimes you will get 7 digit number. One example from your book, exercise 2.2. First question, 36,425 plus 22,531 and 36,425. Leave some space, then write 22,531 and 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 2 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 digit number, 5 digit number. So if you are adding 5 digit number and 5 digit number, sometimes you will get 5 digit number as an answer, sometimes 6 digit number you will get. Okay, okay, from your book, one more example I will give. 5,36,484, 5,36,484, 76,525, 76,525, add 4 plus 5 9, 8 plus 2 10, cut 0, balance 1, carry here. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10, cut 0, balance 1, right here. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 13, cut 3, balance 1. Okay, 7 plus 3 10, plus 1 11, cut 1, balance 1. 5 plus 1 6. Okay, understood? So then answer is equal to 6,13,009. When you are writing this number also, below that you, each and every number below that you can write. Understood? So then you will not make any mistake. And this is for addition. I hope you understand well addition. In next lesson, next video, we can see subtraction. Thank you.